We now want to share an update on the death of two teens in Hoffman Estates. Police tell us that it appears to be accidental carbon monoxide poisoning. 17-year-old Jefferson Flores Ramos and 16-year-old Litzy Flores were found unconscious in a locked car on Berkley Lane yesterday. Our Andrew Ramos has more on the investigation into their deaths.
It was a somber start to the week at Connett High School in Hoffman Estates, where over the weekend two students lost their lives in what police say was a tragic accident. The teens, identified as 16-year-old Litzy Flores and 17-year-old Jefferson Flores Ramos, were found unresponsive inside a locked vehicle in the 200 block of East Berkley Lane just after 12:30 a.m. on Sunday. Responding police and fire crews forced their way inside, where they pulled out both teens and attempted to resuscitate them. Both were taken to the hospital, where they were pronounced dead. Preliminary reports indicate accidental carbon monoxide poisoning as a possible cause of death. Administrators at Connett High School, where Flores was a sophomore and Ramos a senior, had their crisis team in place to help those navigate the loss. While it remains unclear what led to this tragedy that took the lives of these two teenagers, investigators say they plan to do a forensic inspection on this vehicle with a focus on its exhaust system.
Those fumes are going to go inside the vehicle.
Joe Welch, a Palatine-based mechanic with over 30 years of experience, says an improperly installed or faulty aftermarket exhaust system could, in most cases, result in carbon monoxide poisoning. Even though it's unknown if that played a role in the fatal accident in Hoffman Estates, car owners, he says, should be aware of the red flags.
When you get fumes inside the vehicle, it gives you headaches, feel fatigue, nauseous. Something I'd watch out for.
Hoffman Estates Police confirms that it will conduct a full inspection on the vehicle in the coming days to determine any problems it may have had. Reporting in Hoffman Estates, Andrew Ramos, CBS News Chicago.